Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. I welcome you all to your computer class. I welcome you all to your computer class. So, children, in today's video, we will be revising our chapter number 5, that is more about the keyboard, and we will be revising the different keys which are there in the chapter, which are present on the keyboard, and we will also be doing the exercise, the back question of your book, the back question and answers of your book. So children, as you have already studied earlier, that keyboard has many keys. Keyboard has many keys. We can type and give commands to the computer with the help of a keyboard. We have already learned that there are alphabet keys on the keyboard, there are number keys on the keyboard. With the help of alphabet key, you type letters or words, and with the help of number keys, you write numbers. Enter key is used to jump to the next line. If you want to go to the next line, you have to press the enter key. You have to press the enter key. Space bar key is the longest key. The space bar key, जो स्पेस बार की होती है जिससे आप वर्ड्स के बीच में स्पेस देते हो, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड. It is used to add space between the words and numbers. Agar if you are writing something, you are typing something and you have to give space between the two things. जैसे if you write something in your notebook, आप थोड़ा सा space देते हो ना ताकि वो clarity दिखे आपको. Same happens with the space bar key. वो आपके work को, it beautifies your work, it adds space between the words and the numbers. Revision of different keys present on the keyboard. Revision of different keys present on the keyboard. So children, which all keys are present on the keyboard? Repeat. Caps lock key, cursor control keys, backspace key, delete key, shift key, home key, end key, num lock key. All these keys are present on the keyboard and all the keys have their own functions. So come on children, come with me. Now we will revise and we will recapitulate the work of each and every key. Caps lock key. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters. जो आपके कीबोर्ड पर जो कैप्स लॉक की प्रेजेंट होती है, it helps you to type capital letters. If you want to write something in bolds or in capitals completely, you have to press the caps lock key. And the signal that if you want to see that caps lock key is on or not, a green light is present on the keyboard upwards, right upwards on your keyboard. If it is on, it shows that your caps lock key is on, and if the light is not visible, that means your caps lock key is off. So children, caps lock key is used to type the capital letters. Our next key is cursor control keys. If you have ever seen the keyboard, there are some arrows on the keyboard, right hand side down, up, down, left and right. If you want to move up on the screen or down on the screen, you want to go to the left or to the right, you can go up and down, left and right with the help of cursor control keys. They are also known as arrow keys. So, cursor control keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. If you want to go up, down, left and right on the page in which you are doing your work, you can use the arrow keys or the cursor control keys. Okay, children? Next is backspace key. So it is very well clear from the word only, backspace मतलब पीछे जाना, back मतलब पीछे जाना. So backspace key removes the character on the left of the cursor. अगर हम लोग पीछे जाते हैं तो हमारी पीछे वाली चीज़ें हटती हैं. Same happens with the backspace key. If you are writing something and you have made a mistake, so by pressing the backspace key, उसके पीछे जितने भी characters हैं, cursor, suppose if I am writing a spelling of backspace only and after K rather than S I have written T by mistake. So what can I do? I can place the cursor on T. I will press the backspace key and I will type S. So it will be OK. It will be OK. So backspace key ने क्या किया? अपने left जो character है उसको delete किया. Okay. So backspace key removes the character on the left of the cursor. Okay. So our next is delete key. Delete key. Delete key removes character on the right of the cursor. अब जो delete key है वो अपने character, right character को delete करती है, like backspace deletes left character. So you have to remember this. If it is written delete key, it deletes the character on the right. And if it is written backspace key, so it deletes the character on the left. Backspace left, delete key right. Okay, just remember this. You have to learn this and you have to memorize it. Okay, delete key removes the character on the right of the cursor. Shift key. Shift key. Shift key is used along with other keys to type the upper characters on them. As you know or you have seen on the keyboard, some keys on the keyboard have two characters. अगर आपने अपना कीबोर्ड कभी ध्यान से देखा होगा, in your keyboard some characters are double on the keys. Like if you have seen the number keys which are above the alphabet, numbers के साथ एक additional character is added on the key. Like with 2 there is at, with 3 it is hash, with 5 is it percent, 7 it is and. So if you want to type these characters, you have to press shift first, then you have to press that key to type the character. If you want to type the character, you have to press the shift key first and then you will press the key which you want to use. Okay, all this you will practice at home, otherwise you will not be able to get what I am trying to say to you. Okay, you have to practice the function of each and every key. Okay, so shift key is used along with other keys to type the upper characters on them. Okay, children? Home key. Home key brings the cursor to the start of the line. Now, what is the function of the home key? Home key का काम ये होता है, if you are writing something and you have to edit that, if you will press the home key, आपका जो cursor है वो आपके first word के पास आ जाएगा. Okay? So, the home key brings the cursor to the start of the end key. End key brings the cursor to the end of the line. So what is the function of the end key? If you are writing something and if you want your cursor at your end word, suppose you have written I love computers. I love computers, and you want the cursor to be after computers, matlab you want the cursor after S, so you will press end key, and if you want the cursor on I, you will press home key. So home key brings the cursor to the start and end key brings the cursor to the end. Home key, start, end key, end line. Home key, start line, end key, end line. Okay children, you have to remember these. Okay, it is a bit confusing, but if you will. Next is numlock key. Numlock key. Numlock key is used to type numbers from the numeric keypad present on the right side of the keyboard. So from num, it is clearly said that it is related to numbers. It is related to numbers. So first thing, similarly, the way you will judge that caps lock key is on or not with the help of a green light, numlock shows the same. If the numlock is on, on the right hand side green light will blink, and if it is off, the green light will not blink. Okay, so जो हमारे कीबोर्ड पर एक्सट्रीम राइट नमलॉक पैड होता है, जो नंबर्स होते हैं, वो न्यूमेरिक कीपैड आप नमलॉक की यूज़ कर, उसको प्रेस करके you can use that numbers from the keyboard in anything which you want to write or type for calculations. It is up to you. Okay, so numlock key is used to type the numbers from the numeric keypad present on the right side of the keyboard. So children, I hope you will revise each and every key which is present on the keyboard by looking at them, by identifying the different keys, by using these keys in your some project or assignments which you do nowadays, so that all the keys will get clear to you. So now children, we will be doing, or we will be starting with our book exercise question and answers. Okay, so first of all, page number 46. Page number 46 you will open. Page number 46. The first question is, can you guess which key am I? Can you guess which key am I? So what you have to do in this question, some lines are written. You have to read these lines. You have to identify the keys. कि ये कौन सी की हो सकती है, and then you will write the answer. So the first says, I allow you to move to the next line. That is enter key. I allow you to delete the letter to the left of the cursor. Very good. Backspace key. I allow you to delete the letter to the right of the cursor. Very good. Delete key. I allow you to create blank space between two words. Very good. That is space bar key. If you press me, you can type capital letters continuously. Caps lock key. I let you type numbers. Number key. I allow you to write letters. Book exercise question and answers, page number 47. Now after page number 46, children, kindly open page number 47 in your computer textbooks. Please open page number 47. Color the keys of the keyboard. Color the keys of the keyboard as instructed and use the colors from the given pictures. Color the keys of the keyboard as instructed and use the colors from the given pictures. Now in this question what you have to do, you can see three things are there. First, the keyboard is given. Second, a picture is given. Third, some questions are given. So you have to read these questions, you have to look at the picture, and then you have to color the keyboard. Okay, come, I will show you what exactly you have to do in this question. So as you can see, I have colored some keys on the keyboard. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, the question says caps lock key, color of grass. Now you have to identify caps lock key first in the keyboard. Then color of grass is green. You look at the picture कि grass का color क्या है यहाँ पे? It is green. So you will color the caps lock key as green. Shift key, color of sky. अब color of sky क्या है? Blue. So you will do blue color in the shift key. Backspace key and delete key, color of the roof of the house and hut. Now you have to identify backspace key and delete key. Then you have to color it as same as the color of the roof. It is mustard yellow. You have to do mustard yellow. Cursor control keys, color of girl's skirt. Cursor control keys you will identify, and color of the skirt is dark blue. So you will do dark blue in this. So children, our next question is answer the following questions. Answer the following question. So the first question on page number 47 is, what is the function of cursor control keys? What is the function of cursor control keys? Cursor control keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right. Cursor control keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right. What is the difference between the home and end key? Home key brings the cursor to the start of the line, and end key brings the cursor to the end of the line. What is the use of shift key? What is the use of shift key? Shift key is used along with other keys to type the upper characters on them. Shift key is used along with other keys to type the upper characters on them. So children, kindly do the question answers present on page number 46 and 47 in your books. Complete them. Please read the chapter thoroughly. Please read all the keys thoroughly and practice them at your home if you have a keyboard at home, so that you will not face a problem in understanding. Okay? Okay children, please practice all the keys and please do the question answers in your books positively. Okay. So thank you so much children for listening to me, for paying attention to the video. I hope you like this video and you will finish your question and answers. I thank you once again. Stay safe, stay healthy, listen to your parents and take care. Bye bye.